This transformer I take from a old Sony audio player. Old Sony audio player. This is very good quality transformer. It's made in Japan. Now I am going to reuse this transformer. First, I have to take out this circuit from this transformer. Need to desoldering the leg. I am desoldering the leg. This type of transformer are very good. The ampere are strong. I want a transformer 25 voltage, but I don't know how many voltage is it. I want to make a stick amplifier. For this case, I take this transformer. I want to make one 4141 amplifier. For this case, I need 25 voltage. I will check this transformer. Wait for a while. I am desoldering. This is secondary section. This is secondary section. Now it's primary section. It's primary section. It's primary section. Here has a four leg. Here has four leg. Two leg maybe need to connect, or I don't know. It's 100 transformer. No need to connect. Iowa. If I take from Iowa Panasonic, that type of transformer need to short the wire. Okay, it's look like nice. I love this type of transformer. No need this circuit. It's one of the best type of transformer. Now I am going to check. This is one wire. Always use series lamp. If lamp lighting, then it cannot work. It's lamp lighting. This loop, these two loops, lamp is not lighting. That means this loop is 100 220 volts. Here this one 110 volts. This one 110 volts, and this one 19. This one 220 volts. I disconnect the plug from the electricity. The legs make so hot for this case. Soldering. Oh, again open. Now it's okay. And this corner, leave it connect. Now I'm going to plug in. I plug in. Now what is my meter? Okay. First AC mode loop 238. My lot of it's a 110 loop. This one 19. If you have 110, you can use this 110 loop. This 110 loop. I have 220. I use this two corner wire. Now I am going to check the secondary section. It's the secondary section. Has three wire. Look, Oh, 27 voltage. I need 25, 27, 28 voltage maximum. 27 voltage. 27. It is for high voltage for 4141 IC. I have to use 4152 or 4191, 4182 like this, I think. 12, 9 voltage. Yes, 12 voltage. It has 12, and this one is 10 voltage. This one 10 and this two one are 3 voltage. Okay, I cannot use this transformer for STK 4141 IC. Okay, no problem. Later I will use this transformer. Now I need a transformer under 15, 25 25. It's more than 25 voltage. It's 17 voltage. 27 voltage. 27. If I make an ETC, it will be 35. This corner, this center tab is middle one. Two corner, 27. This one 12. This to 12, and this to 12, and these two are 10 voltage. These two are 10 voltage. And here this is the primary section. This is the 0 voltage, and this is 220. This 220 0. Thank you for watching this video. If you want this type of transformer, you can contact with me. You can make comment and give your number. I will contact with you. Thank you. And for amplifier diagram, please visit our website link. This circuit is no need now. Okay, thank you for watching the video. This is copper transformer, full copper.